Man, I'm amazed at every day watching natural gas. Just double digits. And silver. Like, what the hell?
Yeah. Well,
Somebody knows something.
since you mentioned silver, let's start with silver. So obviously we broke 100, and this thing is not stopping. So if you look at this profile from 82 to 97 to sorry, to 96, we were accepting, so that's $14, right? So 96, we more than, no, I mean, we just about doubled that range, right? Usually when you have a range like that, you could expect a doubling of that range. So um, I wouldn't be surprised if we just start consolidating up here and then trade around between 98 and 111 for a little bit. But if we get back below 98, then the target's going to be 93.50, which is where the 20-day point of control is. I think I mean, I don't know, right? But I think it's time for a little bit of a break in silver, but we'll see. Same thing with gold. Gold, we had a couple of bullish imbalances. One that I mentioned the other day, one at 50.39 and the other one at 51.06. And this morning we got, or last night I should say, we got to that 51.06 and then pulled back a little bit. So, but now we left another bullish imbalance with target at 51.44. So this thing is not stopping yet. We still have poor structure below. We have another gap, single prints, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of single prints below. So at some point that there's gonna be a pullback. So we'll see how long that takes. But you know, the the gold bulls say that there's still much more room. That this is just getting started. So we'll see. All right, so yes, overnight we opened and we pulled back immediately. We opened with a large gap, but then all that got bought up, so there was no interest in trading lower. And then we came back inside this 2-day balance, and we're putting a lot of volume here, and now it looks like we just now tagged Friday's value area high. So just because we tested this couple of days lower and just now, and then there's a big buy and tail, I think that we should see another attempt to break above that 69.70, which is that area of resistance I was talking about the other day, which is where we saw sellers. So I'm gonna be watching this today. If we cannot get above it, then we'll probably chop around a little more and balance still here. If we hold above 70, then we should see the 69.90 area tagged, and then see if we can keep going and go towards the high of the range. But for bears to have a little more momentum, I want to see price below Friday's low, and then I want to see bearish internals. I want to see volatility coming up, deltas going negative, order flow going negative, and I want to see correlation with other indices and major stocks to see if we are seeing a sell-off, or this is just stays rotational and we just stay in this area. If we do see sellers and get below the low from Friday, we do have this area of 6900 that between 6890 and 6910, this 20-point range. I think this is a transition area for now. It's right in between the monthly pivot and the weekly pivot, and we could see some support here. And if we do get below the overnight low, then I would expect more sellers to join the party at that point, and then tag that high volume node at 68.55 or 68.52, and then see if we can continue lower towards the previous week's low. But for now, I think there's not much interest in lower prices, at least for now. So we'll see. Now this week we have a lot of news. We have FOMC, we have jobless claim, we have a lot of the big earnings this week reporting. So Microsoft, Tesla, let's see who else. Apple, Starbucks, a lot of big names are reporting this week, so there's gonna be lots of headlines. So it's gonna be an interesting week. Probably a lot more volatility than last week. We'll see. All right. Good luck.